Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix your iPhone screen is not working. So guys, if your iPhone screen is not working and can't responding, then guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to click on volume up button and volume down button. And guys, after this, you need to click and hold on power button until Apple logo is appear. So guys, I am doing this method. So guys, you can see I am clicking on volume up and volume down and click and hold on power button, so you can see and wait for Apple logo. So now you can see I have pressed my Apple logo my power button until Apple logo is not appear. So guys, when your Apple logo is appear, so you guys, you can see, then you need to release your power button. So guys, after showing Apple logo on your screen, then you need to release your power button. So guys, now after opening, we can check that my problem is fixed or not. So guys, by doing this method, your problem will be fixed and your touch screen will be working fine. So guys, wait for a few seconds for its opening, and after opening we can check that after open. So wait for a few seconds. And guys, now you can see my iPhone is open, and when I am opening it, so guys, you can see now touch screen is proper working. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.